Hey guys, we're down here at the Jacko back arm, cold plunge. We're gonna do it. Got a bunch of ducks. Got the people watching on the bridge. You know what I mean? It's a little gloomy out here today. A little lighting, a little foggy, but hey, it's all right. We got a solution for that. Let's do it. Hey, we got Carter here today. Let's go, buddy. That's what the chain can change. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Hey, Surfing Santa. I think that's you. Oh, actually, no, that's my grandpa. Hey, there's some little gnome houses there for you, Grumpy. Grumpy? Where are you? Oh, there you are. I'm sorry, buddy. You said your feet were cold. I put you in the back. I think those squirrels remember you, Layla. They're chirping at you. You talking smack, eh? Where's that squirrel? I smell him now. I can't hear him because I'm old and deaf, but I smell him. Where'd he go, Layla? Where'd he go? Good girl. Local artist, you gotta kind of keep your eye out for them. They're everywhere, scattered through the trees here. It looks just like you, Grumpy. Whoa. Layla sees a squirrel. Yeah. You looking at me?